You are born into a world ruled by titans. Your father is Cronus, the most powerful titan of his generation. Your mother is Rhea, the goddess who secretly fears her own husband. Cronus once received a terrible prophecy about his children. One of his own sons would eventually overthrow him, so when each child is born, Cronus swallows them whole. Your older siblings disappear one after another into their father's stomach. Hestia is swallowed first. Demeter follows soon after. Then Hera, Hades, and Poseidon suffer the same fate. Your mother watches helplessly as her children vanish. Then you are born. Rhea knows she cannot let Cronus take you. She carries you away before he can see your face. A stone is wrapped in baby clothes and presented to Cronus instead. He swallows the stone without checking. He believes his youngest son is gone. You are secretly taken to the island of Crete. You grow up hidden inside a mountain cave. Nymphs protect you while your father searches for nothing. A group of armed warriors guard the entrance to your hiding place. Whenever you cry, they clash their weapons together. The violent noise hides your voice from the Titan King. You grow stronger with every passing year. You drink the milk of the divine goat, Amalthea. You play among the mountains while the Titans rule the world below. You have no idea how powerful you will eventually become. One day, your mother finally tells you the truth. Your father swallowed your brothers and sisters alive. They are still trapped inside him. You realize that your entire childhood was built around one terrible secret. You decide that hiding forever is no longer an option. Before we continue, like this video and subscribe for more immersive mythology stories. You leave Crete and return to confront your father. Cronus immediately recognizes the threat he thought he had destroyed. You approach the Titan King without fear. Your mother secretly gives you a plan to free your siblings. You force Cronus to drink a powerful mixture that makes him violently sick. The first thing he vomits out is the stone he swallowed years ago. Then your siblings begin emerging from his body. Hestia appears first. Demeter follows behind her. Hera steps into the light. Poseidon emerges carrying the power of the sea. Finally, Hades is freed from his father's stomach. Your family stands together for the first time. They are no longer helpless children. They are now powerful gods ready to fight their father. You gather your allies across the divine world. The Cyclopes join your side after being freed from captivity. The massive Titanomachy also rise against the Titans. The Cyclopes forge incredible weapons for the coming war. Poseidon receives a mighty trident. Hades receives a helmet that can make him invisible. You receive the most terrifying weapon of all. The Cyclopes place a thunderbolt in your hands. Lightning explodes across the sky for the first time. You raise the weapon and realize what it means. You are no longer hiding from Cronus. You are preparing to challenge him. The Titans gather their armies across the mountains. Their enormous forms cover the battlefield like living mountains. Cronus stands at the center of them all. His army believes the old order cannot be defeated. You look toward your brothers and sisters. You know the coming battle will decide the fate of the gods. The war begins. Mountains shake beneath the footsteps of Titans. Lightning tears across the battlefield. Poseidon summons enormous waves against the enemy. Hades disappears beneath his magical helmet. You launch thunderbolts from the sky. The Titans fight back with overwhelming strength. For 10 years, neither side can achieve total victory. Every battle leaves the world more damaged. Forests burn beneath divine attacks. Mountains collapse under the force of the fighting. Rivers change their paths after enormous clashes. You begin to realize that defeating Cronus will require more than strength. You need an advantage your father cannot predict. The Cyclopes tell you that the war can still be won. You raise your thunderbolt once again. The sky turns black above the battlefield. For the first time, the Titans look toward the heavens with fear. Your war against your father has only just begun. The final stage of the Titan War begins beneath a sky filled with black clouds. You stand at the front of the Olympian army. Poseidon grips his trident beside you. Hades waits nearby wearing his helmet of invisibility. Your siblings prepare for the final assault. The Cyclopes unleash weapons powerful enough to shake the heavens. The Titanomachy throw enormous stones across the battlefield. You raise your thunderbolt above your head. Lightning strikes the ground with enough force to split mountains. Cronus watches his army collapse around him. The Titans begin losing control of the battlefield. Some are forced back toward the edges of the world. Others are captured and dragged into the depths of Tartarus. Cronus is finally defeated. You stand above the battlefield as the new generation of gods. The world you knew as a hidden child has completely changed. Your father is no longer the ruler of the cosmos. You and your siblings must now decide what happens next. You draw lots with Poseidon and Hades to divide the realms. Hades receives the underworld. Poseidon receives the sea. You receive the sky. The earth remains shared among the gods. You establish your throne on Mount Olympus. The mountain becomes the center of your new divine kingdom. From your throne, you can see the mortal world below. You watch cities appear beside rivers and coastlines. You watch farmers work beneath the sun. You watch armies march toward distant kingdoms. Mortals begin building temples dedicated to you. They raise statues, showing you holding your thunderbolt. Priests burn offerings in your honor. You become known as the king of the gods. But ruling Olympus is far more complicated than winning a war. Your siblings constantly argue over their territories. Hera challenges your decisions inside the palace. Poseidon refuses to accept every command you make. Athena often gives advice that you do not expect. Apollo and Artemis bring their own ambitions to Olympus. Ares constantly seeks another battle. Hermes moves through the palace faster than anyone else. Every god has different desires. Every god has a different idea of what justice should mean. You must keep them from destroying each other. You also begin interfering with the lives of mortals. You reward heroes who earn your favor. You punish kings who insult the gods. You send storms against ships that anger you. You protect cities that build temples in your name. Your thunderbolt becomes a symbol of divine authority. One day, a mortal king decides he can challenge the gods. You watch him from Olympus as he grows increasingly arrogant. He believes human intelligence can defeat divine power. You decide to remind him who rules the heavens. Dark clouds gather above his kingdom. Thunder rolls across the mountains. Lightning strikes the palace courtyard. The king finally looks toward the sky in terror. You have made your message clear. But not every story ends with punishment. Sometimes you help mortals who prove themselves worthy. You become the father of heroes, kings, and legendary warriors in countless Greek myths. Heracles is said to be your son through Alcmene. Perseus is also connected to you through Danae. Your children and descendants spread through stories across the Greek world. Every generation adds another tale about your power. Some stories portray you as wise and just. Others portray you as unpredictable and dangerous. Some mortals worship you as the protector of cities. Others fear the storms that announce your anger. Your palace on Olympus becomes a place where divine feasts continue for centuries. Nectar fills golden cups. Ambrosia is served among the gods. Music echoes through the halls. Outside, clouds surround the mountain peaks. You sit at the center of it all. You remember the cave where you once hid from your father. You remember the warriors beating their shields to hide your cries. You remember believing the world belonged to Cronus. Now the entire divine order answers to you, but power has changed your life forever. You are no longer the frightened child hiding in Crete. You are Zeus, ruler of Olympus and wielder of the thunderbolt. Your decisions can shake mountains and terrify entire kingdoms. Every storm reminds mortals that you are watching from above. Every temple reminds them that your name has survived another generation. Your story begins with a mother hiding her child from his father. It ends with that child becoming the ruler of the gods. And somewhere below Olympus, another generation of mortals looks toward the sky. They see lightning flash across the clouds. They hear thunder rolling over the mountains. They do not know what happens inside Olympus. They only know one thing: Zeus is watching.